Hi guys, this is Matthew again. Today is 13th of April 2022. You can see we are trading the Volatility 100 index ups and down, and there's a trade going on there. It's just 6 ticks. So you can see we already won that trade there. We already won that trade. So before we proceed with this strategy, just to let you guys know, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER automated trading boot for deriv.app, as a boat right there. The version 6.5 is out, and we've already sent it to all those who have previously purchased the boat. For those who haven't purchased the boat, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. It's just $9.99 USD. The PIPSREAPER boat as well. This is a PIPSREAPER boat. The PIPSREAPER boat is different from the TOUCHSCALPER boat. The PIPSREAPER boat trades on digits. Is a boat right here, and the boat is just $7.99 USD. For those who haven't purchased the boat, visit www.binary.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to order the boat, and don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So here are the links again. We're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. That's a link to order the PIPSREAPER boat. This is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat, and this is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and these are the links to subscribe to our channel. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. So let's get back to the trading. As stated earlier, we are trading the Volatility 100 index ups and down, and we are using the webtrader.binary.com. So once you log in, go to the trades, then you open the Volatility 100 index. So once you open it, go to the trade types, click on ups and down, then click on lower, set the ticks to 6, set the barrier offset to +8.19, that's +8.19, then set the amount you want to stake, depends on what you have in your account. Then you are going to open the chart as well. You go to the synthetic indices, you go to Volatility 100 index, then you change this to 1 tick. Make sure you drag this very close. It will be here by default. You have to drag it very close for you to be able to see the movement of this thing. You have to be able to see the movement. Then we're going to be clicking on purchase. Once this thing is facing up and it's up, you can see the movement here. This is V, this is N, that's V. You can see it's up there, it's facing up. So we click on purchase there. Then we're going to wait for the 6 ticks count. Okay, so you can see we already won that trade there. So once this thing is right up and it's facing up, you can see the edges there. It has to be facing up. Once it's facing up, you click on purchase and make sure it's lower. Make sure you set it to lower. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.